The, the dog said, "Can I come too?" "You bet. It's a one-dog canoe." Beaver stops chewing. "Can I come too?" It's a one-dog canoe. But Beaver doesn't listen, and he hops right in. The loon says, Can I come too?" It's a one beaver, one dog canoe. But the beaver doesn't listen. It goes whoop, whoop, wham, right in my lap. The wolf says, "Can I come too?" We put it wrong flag. It's a one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. But the wolf doesn't listen, and he hops and he goes right in. The bear says, "Can I come too?" No, it's pretty dang full. It's a one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. But Moose lands right on his rope. The moose thought Spot and said, "Can I come too?" Maybe next time we'll put it down full. But the moose doesn't listen, and he climbs right in the back. The frog hops on a rock. He said, "Can I come too?" The water is pretty darn full. No, can't you see? It's a one moose, one bear, one wolf, one loon, one dog canoe. But the frog doesn't listen. It goes shoo-shoo-wham. Everyone falls out. The beaver said, I'm sorry I didn't listen to you. I don't care. It's okay. We had a good swim." So all the other animals went on the island, and the girl waited until her jacket was dry, and then she canoed. And then she went out back on her canoe. The end.